Top Project Engineer Skills. Introduction. Are you curious about the project engineering profession? Want to know if it is the right career for you? Looking for the right certification for yourself?
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
If your answer to any of the previously mentioned questions is yes, you have come to the right place. But before knowing about the benefits and skills of the project engineering profession, let's first explore whether this dynamic profession is a good fit for you. Responsibilities of a project engineer. The project engineering profession provides the individual with a rewarding wage, as it is one of the in-demand professions today, with project engineering skills required being essential to succeed. If you want to become a project engineer, you have to finish your bachelor's degree in either business management or engineering management. Some of the responsibilities of a project engineer are given below. They would help you understand what types of problems you have to deal with as a project engineer. Organizes and controls the project elements. As a project engineer, you would deal with the technical and engineering aspects of a project. You would be responsible for organizing the project elements and phases and controlling them for the successful completion of the project. Develops the project objectives and works with the management. Creating objectives to direct the teams involved in the project and guiding them to reach their objectives. Working together with the management and having a high level of teamwork is also necessary. Assigning personnel to phases and elements. It is the project engineer's responsibility to pick the best possible employee for a given task. Every project would be divided into elements and phases for a step-by-step completion of small goals to achieve the bigger goal. Confirms the performance of the product by designing and running tests. A project engineer should be well-versed in designing and implementing tests on the products to check their strengths and weaknesses, so that he can make the necessary changes to it. Coordinating activities and monitoring the progress of the project. Supervising the teams under him and guiding them to successfully complete the project is another one of his responsibilities. Enforcing rules and regulations for the smooth working of the project. Developing guidelines and instructions for all the teams involved in the project is required, as a team with no direction is no better than a crowd. Communicating with project stakeholders to identify and assess their needs. Managing the project stakeholders is important, as their needs should be met if the project is to be completed successfully. These are some of the responsibilities of a project engineer. If you think you are ready to take on these responsibilities and are even good at it, this profession might be the right one for you. Types of project engineer. Civil project engineer. Manufacturing project engineer. Process project engineer. Electrical project engineer. Mechanical project engineer. 1. Civil project engineer. A civil project engineer is responsible for planning and executing technical works like roads, buildings, etc., to maintain structural balance and compliance with legislation. Responsibilities. Coordinate the planning for design and build projects. Make sure the projects comply with safety statutes and building codes. Track projects' progress and recontextualize schedules if necessary. Work with architects, builders, and the local authorities. Qualification: bachelor's degree in civil engineering. 2. Manufacturing project engineer. A manufacturing project engineer is responsible for designing and optimizing manufacturing processes for in-house efficiency and quality production. Responsibilities: develop processes for manufacturing for high-yield manufacturing. Work with resources to get the job done, pull about nothing, and waste no product. Watch production lines to find opportunities for improvements. Comply with the safety and quality standards of manufacture during the manufacture. Qualification: bachelor's degree in mechanical. 3. Process project engineer. A process project engineer is someone who works on process development and improvements in the chemical, oil, or gas industry, focusing on the safety and efficiency of operations. Responsibilities: design, implement, and improve industrial processes. Ensure safety standards are met throughout process operations. Track process efficiency and find the bottleneck. Troubleshoots issues and implements corrective action for business improvements. Qualification: bachelor's degree in process engineering. 4. Electrical project engineer. An electrical project engineer handles the development and support of electrical systems and projects to make sure all the electrical components adhere to project specs, safety requirements, etc. Responsibilities: design and oversee the installation of electrical systems. Make sure all electrical units are in compliance with safety regulations. Identify electrical errors and solve them with solutions when necessary. Partner with other engineers and stakeholders to bring back electrical systems to the full project designs. Qualification: bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. 5. Mechanical project engineer. A mechanical project engineer works on mechanical systems, HVAC, machinery, engines, etc., to solve optimal functionality problems, often collaborating with an HVAC service manager to ensure efficient system performance. Responsibilities: develop mechanical components and systems for multiple works. Oversee testing and validation of mechanical designs. Ensure proper installation and maintenance of mechanical systems. Collaborate with teams to tune the system and make design breakthroughs. Qualification: bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. Skills of a project engineer. Every profession has its related skills that might be similar or different from other professions. Likewise, for a project engineer, there are some key skills and other secondary skills that should be present in a good project engineer. Let us go through different skills that should be present in an ideal project engineer. Key skills of a project engineer. The project engineer should have a variety of project engineer skills. Here are some of them. Requirements analysis. The project engineer is responsible for the resources required for the project. He should be able to analyze the required quantity and quality of resources needed for the completion of the project, making sure that they have the right placement of resources for various tasks involved in the completion of the project. Design skills. The project engineer should have a mastery of the fundamentals of designing. They should be able to add, remove, or modify the designs of the elements of the project. He should be able to supervise the design team and should know how to work with the designing software. Project management. He should be able to follow and guide others to follow the best project management practices. He should take care of the teams under him, the project stakeholders, and the clients, for which he should be an expert in project management fundamentals. Manufacturing methods and procedures. A project engineer would know of all the technical procedures and terms associated with the project, so that he can ensure that there are no defects in the manufacturing methods and processes. Mathematical modeling. Among all of the project engineer skills, the knowledge of mathematical models and the associated programs is a must. He would be able to predict and modify the project's direction. Decision making. As one of the leaders of the project, a project engineer takes all the hefty decisions related to the project. The project engineer should be someone who takes right decisions at the right time.
If you found this video informative and useful, We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.